friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic of the lesson plan is the five senses, subject EVS for class KG or first. Objective: students will identify the five senses, that is, see, hear, smell, taste, touch, and match them with their sense organs. So, teaching aids I forgot to write here, you can check in the description below. Warm up. Activity: guess the sound. So teacher will play 3-4 sounds. Bird chirping like clapping, car horn. So students will guess what it is. So it will build curiosity. How did you know what that was? Which sense helped you? So this is the activity you can do for the warm up. Introduction. Show a big picture or flashcards of the five sense organs. Explain each sense in simple words. Eyes for see, ears to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, and skin for touch or feel. Next, activities. So, first activity is sense station. So, you can create a sense station for the students in which you have to set up five small mystery stations in which children rotate in groups. First station, which is the sight. So, show students in a covered box with a small window cut out. They peek and guess the object. Second station for hearing. Shake mystery containers like rice, stones, or coins. Children will guess the sound. Station 3, smell. Cotton balls dipped in scents, coffee, perfume, or lemon. Kids identify each smell. For station 4, taste. Give tiny samples, sweet for sugar, salty salt, sour lemon, water, only if allowed in your school and with permission. For station 5, touch. So place object in a feely bag, soft cotton, rough sponge, smooth marble, and let children discover them. So these are the stations. Next activity is sense match game, in which show pictures: flower, bell, ice cream, teddy bear, or rainbow. Children tell which sense they use for each item. Sense sorting race. So place 15 to 20 small picture cards in the center. Teacher will shout like touch. So children run, pick one card that matches, example teddy bear, and sit. So repeat with other senses like this only. Now next activity is five senses walk, which is the mini field trip for the student. So you can take students for a 5-minute walk in the school garden or playground, and then you can ask them to observe, like what can you see, what can you hear, what can you feel in the air, what can you smell, like this. Then back inside they can draw one thing from each sense. Next is the popcorn activity. This is for the multisensory. Prepare popcorn in school or bring ready made. Children hear the popping sound, see the popcorn, smell the aroma, touch the texture, taste it finally. Sensory art for touch plus sight. So students make artwork using cotton, which is soft, sand, rough, buttons hard, feathers sticky, and tissue paper smooth. Now worksheet. So here option A is my five senses face. So give each child a paper plate. Draw eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and ask paste cotton for touch, Sprinkle coffee powder near the nose for smell, etc. like this. I will show you at the end of this lesson plan. Next worksheet you can give to sense sorting worksheet, in which student will cut and paste picture under the correct senses. Here is the option C for the worksheet, in which student will look and match. So you can see for taste, apple, nose, flower, sound like ear, singing bird, eye for reading, and touch for teddy bear, like this. So students will match. Now rhyme time. So I have five senses, yes I do. See and hear and taste things too. I can smell and touch so well. Five little senses help me tell. So this is a rhyme you can say it at the end. Now closing. For the recapitulation, you can ask, which sense is your favorite color? Why do we need all five senses? So this is the lesson plan of the five senses. The five senses. I hope you like my lesson. Kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So this is the craft worksheet of my senses phase, in which we will give student a paper plate and students will draw eyes, nose, mouth, ears, and also paste some cotton ball and sprinkle some coffee powder near the nose. Thank you.